What is up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to make a node on ring.financial. All right, guys. Crazy project, guys. I first got in when it was around 10 bucks. Now it's popping off, guys. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, if you're looking for the next best income producing asset, income producing yield farm, when it's not $200, when it's only $10, we're looking at those type of pre-sales, looking for those type of gains, those crazy freaking MASSIBE massive gains that I got in this one was $10, right? That was we got in this before it was on the freaking charts. If you're looking for those type of things, check out the link down below. First, check out the Discord, guys. If you hop on the Discord, it's just the free membership. I mean, you get most of the stuff, but if you're interested in the actual passive income producing yield farms, like for example, Ring.Financial, what we actually do is we all pay a cumulative fee, a little membership fee that's monthly. And what we do is we take that fee and we invest it into these other APY, these massive producing APY concepts, projects, so that we can constantly figure out what's actually working, what works the best, and so that we can bring that to you guys. So I'm trying to say, guys, make sure you click that link down below in the description, because if you're interested in that type of thing, just check it out, guys. Down there, just check it out. You know what's happening. You know what's happening. What's happening? All right, guys. All right, let's get back into this. I'm gonna show you how to make a node. All right. It's pretty simple. Ring Central, by the way, how this works is every day you get 0.556 ring, and it takes 10 ring to make one node. So I'm realistically in like 20 days, you get another node, your entire investment back if you buy one. Yeah, so it kind of makes sense, right? It makes sense. All right, so on here right at the back, guys, I mean, let's go to the actual thing. So if you hop over to here, let's show you the website really quick. Ring Financial. That's a site, guys. If you want to buy some ring, go down here. It's on the Avalanche network. All right. I'm not on the Binance. Sorry, guys. It's on the Binance network. Blade. It's on the Binance network, guys. So it's on the Binance network. All right. All you got to do, buy some ring, try to get 10. Well, not try, get 10 to make one node. Then you go over to here. You press create a node. How much do I have right here? Let me double check. I got 16. So I'm going to create one node right here. I'm going to create this. What are we going to call this? We're going to call this my fave node. Obviously, as you can tell, guys, it doesn't really matter what you call it. It costs a little fee right here. We're going to confirm that. And then bam, give it a couple of seconds. It usually takes like a minute for it to populate. So let's give it a little bit. I'm probably going to pause you guys because I don't want you guys to like wait for that long, unless it's in 3, 2, oh, right there, 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. So like I said, guys, it's usually pretty quick. All right. And I just figured out I got 5.56 daily because I was in the pre-sale. So that's why you guys got to hop on. And it's crazy. I get 5 ring daily because I was in the pre-sale. Let's put in that perspective really quick. Currently, it's at 200 bucks. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Not too much. I don't want to get too much. But what I'm trying to say, guys, if you join Only Crypto Fans, if you actually hop in the actual membership, the pro membership, that could have been you. Because you would have gotten the pre-sale. And I got this for, I mean, 100 bucks, which is a $10 a ring. So guys, that's how you make a node. I'm actually going to claim this right here at 2.68 right now, because I actually have this. One of my buddies is launching a new coin today. So I'm going to convert this, and this is good for you guys to watch them, I guess. But I'm going to convert that 6.9 plus this right here, the other 2 or something, whatever it was, once I go in to Binance. This is Binance coin, because one of my buddies, like I said, is launching his coin, and I want to be in it. So that's why I learned, guys. the way to seriously freaking win in crypto, I mean, this is stocks as well too, but though I just went through the way to really win is like having those connects. I have 9.3 ring, right? Almost there to make another one. It's really having those connects, guys. It really, really helps. You know, knowing somebody that kind of already did it, or knowing somebody that's doing it. You know, I'm not saying I'm the smartest dude when it comes to crypto. I'm pretty, not gonna lie, not to flatter myself. I'm pretty smart, you know, and I'm pretty modest too. I'm handsome, I'm modest, I'm sexy, I'm strong, I'm smart, but I'm also very modest. So I'm trying to say is, guys, it really helps to have somebody that kind of just gives you those like secrets, tells you kind of what to do. And that's why I created that Only Crypto Fans group. Obviously, the hop in the Discord, I'll answer all your questions and things like that. But if you actually hop onto the membership, it's only like $97 a month. You also take that in Binance as well if you actually hop in the Discord, and you get amazing perks like this, like knowing when the next launch is happening. Like this one, I got this for $100, 5.56 daily. How much is that again, by the way? Let's see how much a ring is, right? So you saw it over here. Oops. You saw it over here, right? Let me show you. Let me put it in perspective, just so I can be even more modest. Kind of nice. So if we switch this around, so I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this. I'm going to do let's refresh it. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is let me pause the video really quick. So guys, like I said, sorry, I just figured something out quick. So let me actually take my ring out now. By the way, keep in mind, I only spent like $100 on this. I'm about to pull out 2 grand while still having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I confirm. Yeah, I'm pulling this money out because and you see the MetaMask. I'm pulling this money out because, like I said, I have what you called. I have my buddy's doing this pre-sale for something called, I don't want to say it here because you're on the Discord. Well, I don't know you are, but he's doing this pre-sale for his launch, and he's gonna kill it on it. I got a feeling he's gonna freaking kill on it. So check out the Discord down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.